Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So now in this video I'm going to be showing you that how can you basically get the paid web hosting, which is the most professional method, and that will just keep you going. Okay, so you have to just click resources available to the video that you are watching, and it will tell you to click here to go to this website. You have to click here and you will be taken to a new page where it will take you to hostgator.com. Okay, so this is the company that I personally use for all of my clients and for my websites as well. Okay, so if you want to go with this company, then you can go with this. This is my recommended company. You can go with any of the other paid web hosting companies like Bluehost or like GoDaddy. GoDaddy is not recommended by me because I have used that and I don't find that GoDaddy to be good. I don't know why, but GoDaddy was not that good for me. The HostGator is the one that I like the most. Okay, so make sure to just you go ahead and click there. The link is the affiliate link, so that when you buy the web hosting from here, I'm gonna get a share. I'm gonna get a commission basically. So this just helped me keep going with more courses like this. But if you want you don't want to give me any of the commission and you just want to go with there, then you can just type hostgator.com and then you can buy the HostGator from there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let's just hit get started now. So you will be taken to a new page, and here it says hostgator.com/web-hosting, and here it has got the baby plan. This is the plan that I personally recommend and I use for myself as well. The reason is that it offers the single website and this offers unlimited websites. I would highly recommend you to go with this because you can see that we will be building a personal website, we'll be building another business website, professional blog, an e-commerce website, and everything. That is why we will be creating a lot of websites. So that is why I would highly recommend you to go with this baby plan, and it will give you unlimited websites. The reason I would say not to go with the business plan is because they give you the private SSL and you can get that SSL for free. So why you want to go with paid things? I will show you how can you get SSL for free. So just go ahead and let's go with the baby plan. Do not go with the business plan. Okay, let's just go ahead and let's click sign up now. You can see they give 40% off to the new customers, but I will give you my coupon code and that you can enter there and you can get 60% off, guys. So let's just go ahead and let's hit sign up now. So it will cost you around $150, okay? And you are also getting like 45-day money back guarantee. So why not just invest in? And if you find it to be good for you, then go ahead. And if you find it to be like not good for you, then just leave it. So let's just go ahead and let's enter the domain name. So the domain name here would be like the domain name that you want your company to be like. It is the udemy.com, the google.co.uk. So since our first project is the business, the personal website, so that is why I want my domain name to be like a personal, let's just go ahead and let's build a personal website for myself. So I'm gonna be naming it as like itanzil.com. Okay, so it will be like .com. Let's just go ahead and let's hit enter, and you can see that this domain name is available and this is now entered as my domain name. So if your domain name is not available, like if someone has already used that domain name, then it will give an error right here. Okay, so now you can see that this domain name is available and it is costing me like $15 per year, but since we have applied the 60% off, that is why it will cost you like $4 approximate. Okay, so now let's go ahead, let's go down and let's just uncheck this. It says add domain privacy protection for itanzil. I'm just gonna uncheck this. Okay, the reason why I'm unchecking this is because make sure that your privacy is public, because you want your users, so that whenever anyone is coming to your website, he should know that who is the CEO, who is the owner, where is this address, and where is everything. So make sure that keep your domain to be like public, because we're not scamming anything, we're not scamming anyone. That is why we want our company to be public. Okay, so it is also good for interference with your customers. If anyone is oh, I don't know if this company is a scam or if this company is not good for you, then they will just go ahead, they will just go to domain privacy, and then they will just grab your name and this, and then they will know that okay, he's the owner, he's the official owner. That is why I just want to go with them. So make sure to just keep it as the public. Okay, so then we have the package type. This is the baby one selected already. And we have the billing cycle. It says 40% off. I'm going to give you a coupon code that you can enter below and you can get 60%. Let's just go ahead and let's add a username here. So I'm just going to enter my username, which will be my name. Okay, and then I have to enter the security pin, so it can be like anything, but it should be 4-digit. And then you have to enter your details here. And then you have to select the payment method, which can be like credit card or PayPal. So now you have to go there, and here it says the additional services, guys. So we'll come to this later, but let's come here to coupon code, and let's just enter here WPECO60. Okay, and when you just click here and then you hit validate, you will see that you will be given 60% off. If I just come here, you can see it is giving us 60% off right now. So let's just go down and let's uncheck them. Okay, let's uncheck this and let's uncheck this. The reason why I'm telling you to uncheck this is because this is for security and this is for backup. You don't need backup and you don't need security. The reason why I'm telling you is because this is the complete WordPress course. And I'm going to tell you everything, like how can you even secure your website. So just don't buy this because this is the extra stuff and you can secure your website with WordPress plugins. Okay, we'll discuss that later on, so do not just buy this. Okay, and uncheck everything and you can see that it is costing us $148 for 3 years. You can see if we just come here, it says 36 months. So it is costing us for like 3.98 per month. So this is a huge discount, guys. You have to just accept the terms and conditions and then you have to hit checkout now. You can see that they are setting up my account and you can see in a few moments you will gain access to all of the award-winning products and features that sets HostGator apart from its competition. So you can see that this is the HostGator account that is being built, and when it is built you will see how amazing this HostGator is gonna look. Here we go. You can see that it says welcome to HostGator family. The order has been completed and this is how my cPanel is looking like. What you have to do, you have to just go to your email account. Okay, you have to just open up your email account where your email account is. Okay, and then you have to see your mail. They must have giving you the email that your HostGator account is not set up. So let's go to other mails and you can see that it is the HostGator account info. You have to just hit this and here is gonna be all of your info. So you can see that it says you can log into our billing system using the email address we sent to and the password included in your welcome email. Okay, so the shared plan is the baby plan, and this is our control panel. This is our username, and this is our domain name, and this is our password, and then this is our first name server, the second name server, and the server IP. So what is the name server basically? This is basically the username to enter your cPanel. This is the password to enter it. So if I just open this up, you can see that it's going to take you to the cPanel. Here we go. You can see that this is the cPanel you have right here. You have to just copy the name, username. You have to paste it. And then you have to copy the password. Okay, and then you have to paste it right here. So now you have to hit login. And once you click login, it will take you to the login page where it will tell you this how the control panel or the cPanel looks like. So you can see that this is how our cPanel is looking. Okay, we have everything right here. We have a domain name and we have everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna hit close this, and you can see that I can manage my website completely from here. You can also go to the portal of your web hosting. So you can just open up in the new page. Okay, so now I'm gonna enter portal.hostgator.com to log into my portal basically. Okay, and when you'll be here, you have to basically enter the email address, okay, and also the password. So okay, and now you have to hit login, and you can see that I am being taken to the customer portal. So this is the basically HostGator new portal, and this is how your portal will look like. And if you are logging in for the first time, then HostGator will ask you to log into the new portal. Okay, so you can see that it is saying return to the traditional customer portal. So if you are logging into HostGator, you should see this portal. If you are seeing the normal portal, then make sure to log in to the new portal. Okay, so then what you have to do, you'll be seeing your domain name right here. You can see that this is my domain name, itntl.com. This is the shared/baby plan, and the package ID is this. So what you have to do, you have to make sure that you go to domain name. Okay, and then make sure to check if your domain name is right coming here. Okay, so here your domain name will be. Here you can manage your domain name. Okay, and here will be your itntl.com. What you have to do, you have to just hit launch cPanel, and your cPanel will be here. What you have to do now is that we will be installing WordPress in this domain name, and when we will access our website, you will see that how our website will look. Okay, so thanks a lot guys for watching this. In the next video, I'll show you that how can you build your own WordPress website, so by installing WordPress in your domain name. So stay tuned, and in the next video we'll install WordPress. Goodbye.